All right, we got the Taurus RPC. We have to deliver it to a buddy. Let's set this up with a sighting system, lighting system, a way to mount it, a sling, sight, and yeah, let's get going. And before I turn this over to my buddy, I wanted to help him set it up and do a setup that's budget friendly. But essentially, Romeo 5 Gen 2 red dot, macro sling, flip up sights, gray color. I went for a gray and black contrast theme. Streamlined rail protect mod with Gen 3 or whatever with the USB rechargeable battery. Macpool MSD4 QD sling, gray as well. And Arisaka side offset M-LOK mount, because I was looking forward to using the adapter for the ProTac itself, but it doesn't fit flush with the height of this design. So although the M-LOKs are there, any curves on top, this is not a standard height. So the typical plates adapter mounts that came with the flashlight did not fit flush.
One
of the first thing I'm noticing is this design is a little bit unconventional. I was excited to be able to mount this streamlined directly with the offset M-LOK plate. However, the design of the RPC, this is taller than normal firearms, so it's not sitting flush. I'm not able to use an M-LOK offset plate. Luckily, I had ordered this side scout mount from Arisaka. Eventually, I'll probably add a mud button so you can activate the lights from the top rail. But that's the setup, short and sweet. This pistol shoots great. A very cute entry to a roller delay PDW world for the budget. So post a comment, tell me if you like this setup and what you have done differently. And if you're running a Taurus RPC by the time you watch this video, show and let me know what you have on your setup. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.